Do you come home every day, take off your shoes, sit down casually, and just wonder what to do next? Looking for a new way to spice up and brighten up your cooking? Want to make those old games a little more exciting? Do you wish there was something new and exciting to do? Well, if so, then fantastic! Introducing Lamps of Luminance. The Lamps of Luminance come in all shapes and sizes, ready for any application. Simply pick the right lamp of luminance for the job and you're ready to go. Now when you come home, you can turn on a lamp. Wasn't that exciting? Adding lamps of luminance to your next meal is surely the best way to make every meal sunny and joyful. Want to brighten up those whites in the wash? Simply add lamps of luminance to create those bright, shining whites every time. Played every single game in existence on this planet? Through Lamps of Luminance you can make them feel like new again by adding them right in front of your screen. Now all you get to see is lamp. Some lamps are so bright just shining them on a surface can make them bright and white again. So what size lamp is right for you? The comparison is simple. The smaller the lamp, the lesser the impact. The bigger the lamp, the greater the impact. Want clean floors? Absolutely. Doorknobs? Oh yeah. Stovetops and microwaves? The kitchen is really sparkling now. Of course you can clean tables, and don't forget about cleaning the air. That's pretty important. Thinking about repainting your walls? Well, forget about it. How about you just clean them with light? Oh, and if you want them to stay that color, just leave it on all of the time. With so many ways to use Lamps of Luminance, we are sure you will find new uses as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I enjoy making these little things, so I hope you enjoyed it as well. Anyway, I've been adding some links in the description down below if you want to go and follow me anywhere else. Some things I'm active on, some things I'm not. Maybe I'll start up on some other things. I don't know, but check them out. They're in the description down below. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.